Sharad Pawar, who actually met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi this morning, and according to the details that we've accessed, this meeting lasted nearly an hour. Akhilesh, what more can you tell us about this meeting? It's coming at a very interesting time when there has been, a lot of back and forth with Nana Patole repeatedly attacking Sharad Pawar. Also, the speculation of the fact that Sharad Pawar could be considered for the post of president.
Well, of course, this is only just speculation because I tried to cross-check it from the Prime Minister office and also from Mr. Sharad Pawar's office. From both the places, there was no clarity about the agenda of this meeting, which lasted for around 50 minutes this morning. And of course, it's a very curious meeting because yesterday only the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Piyush Goyal, he had a meeting with Sharad Pawar, and after that, Mr. Pawar had gone to meet Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. But that was, of course, an official meeting because A.K. Antony, the former Defence Minister, he was also present in that meeting, and both the former defence ministers were briefed by the Chief of Defence of Staff and also by the Army Chief on the current standoff between India and China. But this meeting, this morning meeting, of course, is very curious because we know that as far as the presidentship is concerned, Mr. Pawar himself has said that he knows it very well that the BJP has more than 300 MPs, and a party like him, a leader like him, does not stand a chance because he does not enjoy the support of MPs and MLAs. But of course, you cannot rule out anything in politics. And as far as Maharashtra politics is concerned, there was a speculation last week that Shiv Sena and the BJP, they can come together, but of course it was denied by Uddhav Thackeray. And as far as Sharad Pawar is concerned, we know that Mr. Pawar is the key pillar on which the Maharashtra government is relying upon. So, of course, if any move Mr. Pawar makes, that can destabilize Maharashtra government. But there is no clarity about this meeting. No agenda has been told by either Prime Minister office or by Mr. Pawar's office. But of course, Mr. Pawar carried a lot of files along with him, so we can safely speculate that it may be concerning about the new corporate ministry which deals with the cooperative society, in which NCP has a major hold in Maharashtra. Mr. Pawar, he is known for his hold on the cooperative societies in Maharashtra. So that may be one of the issues, but we can only speculate because so far no concrete information has been given by either side.
All right. Thanks so much, Akhilesh, for joining us with the very latest. So a lot of important meetings that are in fact taking place after yesterday's meeting where Prime Minister met B.S. Yediyurappa, where he's offered to resign today. These are pictures interestingly tweeted by the official handle of the Prime Minister's office. That meeting with Sharad Pawar that we're told lasted nearly 50 minutes, nearly an hour actually, is how long that meeting lasted this morning. We'll of course continue to track the very latest. Thanks, Akhilesh, for joining us.